Hello friends, now I will show you. I have here Kyocera Ecosys M2040 model with, as you see, broken hinge. In this video I will show you how to replace it. Rotate a device on the rear side. Open the rear door, unscrew the screw for this rear panel. Take it out. Now, let me show you. Take this panel out. It's very easy. Disconnect the cables from here. The cables for the ADF. And also this cable. Unscrew this screw for this cable. And now we are ready to lift up the ADF module. Carefully. And this is the broken hinge. So that's the ADF module, and we want to replace the broken hinge. I have ordered a new hinge for this model. It's very easy for replacement. Just unscrew the 3 screws here on the hinge base. Take out the broken part. Then put the new hinge. Screw back the 3 screws. And now, in a reverse order, place the ADF module on the printer, connect the cables and connectors, and place back the side covers. And that's it. So thank you very much. Good luck.